Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! For today's episode, I'm going to show you how I make this crunchy fruit salad. It's so easy. All you need to have ice, salt, and of course, your ingredients, your favorite ingredients. And if you want to know how to make this yummy-licious crunchy fruit salad that is easy to prepare and eat, then please continue watching and I will show you how I make it. Let's start by putting ice in a big bowl, followed by the salt, then get another bowl but smaller, then pour your cream. I use table cream, but you can also use all-purpose cream or heavy cream, whatever is available. Then using wire whisk, whip the cream. You can also use electric mixer for convenience with a paddle attachment. Then add the condensed milk and continue whipping until the cream double its volume. Then add your favorite ingredients of your fruit salad. This is ready to eat! Then put on top the crushed nuts or any nuts that you like. I put walnut, cashew nuts that I crush using the pestle. You can also use rolling pin. Here's my easy to prepare and eat crunchy fruit salad. Okay, let's taste this leftover. I already put some in the refrigerator, but actually you can already eat it. Okay, see how thick and cold it is because of that technique. The one that I crushed, the walnut, and of course the crushed cashew. Okay, let's eat it. Let's try. Okay, let's try Kayami. Cheers! There's a crunchiness from those nuts. you can make your own ingredients, or you can replace some of the ingredients of this fruit salad. Okay, Kayami, try this technique. It's good. I hope you learned something today, Kayami. If you're craving for fruit salad and you cannot wait for, to put in the refrigerator or freezer, then try my technique. It's really good. And it's really cold. It's cold. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and please consider to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year!